Overnight Repair Serum is a powerful peptide serum with argan and rose oils to help promote skin repair overnight. The skin's resilience is renewed as potent argan and rose oils revitalise lacklustre skin and smooth away the fine lines. It enhances the skin nourishment, recovery, cell renewal and hydration on all levels, and delivers a quicker, more effective penetration of actives into the skin. So you can really boost the skin's luminosity. Now, you'll use it after cleansing and you smooth about 4 to 6 drops onto the skin, or blend it with your nighttime cream, but you can enjoy firming, the wrinkles being minimized. You'll see the skin brightening and the skin feeling more protected as well. It really is fast absorbing and one of those products that can make such a difference to your regime. Using it at night when the skin is calm, when it's resting, it can really work to its full effect. So if you need a little bit of a boost, maybe it is to treat the skin overnight, get your overnight repair serum from Dermalogica here at Skin Mart.